have another recipe, my darlings. Another beautiful recipe. So we have our pan here, then we have our oil. We have our oil there. I'm going to add, we are having, guess what you are having? Comment down below what I'm cooking today. So first of all, we have lobster. These are our lobster, as you can see. I've already cleaned them, and then you cut them at the center. And then we have garlic, chili, tomatoes. So we are starting with our garlic. Start commenting down below and tell me what recipe I'm cooking today. So we start with our garlic. Let it cook for a while. So guys, our garlic are ready. I'm going to add my tomatoes and my chili. After adding my tomatoes and my chili, I am going to cover to let them cook for a while. So guys, after cooking for a while, I'm going to add my lobster. So your lobster, you're just going to add this oil and some So that's our lobster. I'm going to add some salt, and then we are going to add some white pepper. I have white pepper here. I'm going to add a few white pepper. White pepper, some few coriander, just few spices so that you can have the taste of the fish, well, the taste of the lobster. You don't have to put a lot of spices because it will cover the taste of the fish, of the lobster, sorry. So my lovely people, that's how lobster is coming along, so let us do it for a few minutes, cover it, then we are going to take our lobster is ready, so I'm going to add my pasta. And I'm going to mix it up, mix it well so that so that's how it looks. I'll cover it for some time. So guys, let's check. It's done. Our pasta is ready. Our pasta is ready. As you can see, it has cooked well. Look at it, smells so good, guys. So good, so good, so good. So good. So good. Our lobster pasta is ready. So that's it, guys. Our lobster pasta is ready. Lobster pasta. Check out my long form video for the full recipe, guys. Lobster pasta.